I'm Jason.
And I'm Zach.
We're here today to talk to you about two devices that we use to keep your water feature maintenance down. A dosing system and an Iongen.
The biggest factor that contributes to a pristine and healthy pond is consistency. Adding bacteria and enzymes to your pond will help keep it looking its best. We recommend adding these products to your pond at the same time each week. For the absolute best results, we rely on the automatic dosing system that continuously adds these bacteria needed for the pond to have a consistent and balanced ecosystem. By combining an auto-dosing system and an Iongen string algae control device, your pond will experience less spikes and changes in the water ecology, which will produce the best results. These systems can be added to virtually any existing pond, and we highly recommend them for new pond construction. So be sure when contacting a pond professional that you're asking about the auto doser and the Iongen. It's going to make your life a lot easier.
Check out the links below to videos of the other pond components, and when you're ready to get started, give us a call.